I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to take L-carnitine capsules. First, understand that L-carnitine is a natural compound that plays a crucial role in energy production by transporting fatty acids into your cell's mitochondria. Before you begin any new supplement regimen, it's always wise to consult with a healthcare professional to ensure it's right for you. Always adhere strictly to the dosage instructions provided on your specific product's label for safety and effectiveness. For optimal absorption and to minimize potential stomach upset, it's generally recommended to take your L-carnitine capsules with a meal. Some individuals also prefer taking it approximately 30 minutes before a workout, believing it can enhance exercise performance and fat utilization. While typical dosages often fall between 500 milligrams and 2 grams per day, always refer to your product's specific guidelines, as concentrations can vary. To truly maximize the benefits of L-carnitine, integrate it into a holistic approach to your health. This means combining your supplementation with a balanced, nutritious diet and a consistent routine of regular physical activity. Remember, supplements work best when they support an already healthy lifestyle. Consistency in taking your capsules daily, as directed, is also crucial for experiencing the full, desired effects over time. As you incorporate L-carnitine into your routine, pay close attention to how your body responds. If you notice any adverse effects or feel the need to adjust your dosage, consult with a healthcare professional. Proper storage is also vital. Keep your capsules in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight, to maintain their potency. And speaking of healthy routines, make meal prep a breeze with some fantastic leak-proof containers. Check the description below for a link to those, plus other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.